It's officially holiday season. Merry Christmas from us to you. This is a 15-minute Mariah Carey workout for, when you're super busy and you just need to get a little Christmas cheer, a little sweat on. Before you get started, I want you to put your favorite Christmas emoji in the comments. I'm just curious to see how many Santas we get, how many Christmas trees we get, how many reindeers we get. Let's sweat. All right, so we're just gonna start off with a little prance. And we tap our toes, do jack. Run it up. And out, in, out. Run it back. Grapevine. And last, now you hold it. Again. Jack. Are you naughty or are you nice? Run it up. And back. Grapevine. And cross the body. We're just warming up. And lift it up. Back to those toe taps. Run it up. And back. Grapevine. And up. And hamstring curls. Again, cross that body. Hold it right here. Toe taps. Hey, hey. Let's go. Toe taps. Come on. Grapevine. Hold it right here. Grapevine. Yeah. One down, 3 to go. All right, put your hands together right here. Jack it out. Again, bring it up. Christmas cheer squad right here. 4 kicks. You go 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross jack. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it right here. Same exact thing again. Single, double with those hips. 4, 3, hop and shuffle. 4, 3 from the top. 4 kicks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Single, double hips. Pump and shuffle. In 4, 3, 2, Now right foot forward. 1, 2, 3. Double jump. Switch left side. Again. Bring it on up. Clap your hands. Take it back. Jack. From the top, 4 kicks. 3, 2, Double, double. Get ready for that pump and shuffle. 4, 3, 2. Right foot forward. Clap it up. Again. Take it back. 4 kicks. This is the last one. Finish it out. Right here. Santa's gonna come and make it mine, mine. Yeah. That stack of presents over your back. Now I think you guys all know this one. Take it to the right. You know the song. I want you to really feel it. Yes. Walk it up. 1, 2, turn, cross. Back, 2, turn, cross. Again. Hold this. Grapevine. And we pony. 4, 3, 2. Last one to the front. Bring it up. Double clap right here and back. Again. And we run it up. From the top, grapevine. Two more. We're going to bring it up with that double clap. One more time. Come on, come on. All right, we're going to ride our sleigh here. And then we go around. Come on, giddy up, let's go. Make it your biggest one. Hey. You're doing great. Keep it going. You got this. And run it out right here. Again. Last time. All the way to the end. Come on, come on. A little freestyle. Yeah, good job, you guys. This is a fast and furious workout. It's a quickie. It's for when you're super busy. We all get so busy during the holiday season. Do not forget to take care of yourself, okay? And a message from us to you. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Check back here in January for our challenge. We're gonna have so much fun, 2024, 2025, whatever year you're watching this. Join us for our challenge in January. Take a big deep breath in. And down. Sway right to left. And roll it up. Now for all of you that skip the cool down, don't press pause yet. Nine. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to push it back with that right arm. Keep it going. Yeah. Now, walk it up. Push it. Take it back. Bring it up. Push that right hand back. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Walk it up. Hup. Push it. Take it back. Again, come on. Last one. Grapevine. 4, 3, single, single, double, little hop.
Does anybody really know those words?
Hey! Hup! And push it. Walk it back. Bring it up again.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Grapevine. Hup! Keep it going.
Old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind.
One more time. Hold it. Hips. Single, single, double. Hup! Have a drink on me. One more time. Bring it up. Come on. All those positive, happy vibes. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, good job. Thank you for joining us. Mwah.